I'm Chopsicle the Dog, and this is Gaining Superpowers Parts 1 and 2. It's gonna get crazier and crazier. This first episode, he's gaining superpowers by climbing in a microwave. Oh man, does he have? He does. Look at that. He can see a toilet on the other side of a fridge. He's got the power to see toilets. What a weird power. Nope, doesn't want X-ray vision. Mutant power. Don't mix anything weird like that at home, guys. This doesn't work in real life. But what's gonna happen? Is he gonna become the Hulk? Oh, hands out of his stomach. So weird. Oh, does he have control of him? I don't think he does. Oh no, it's coming for him. Okay, so he is no longer got arms there. All right, teleportation. It's got a fax machine. Oh! Will he be able to teleport? Let's see if it worked. Moved everything out of the way. X marks the spot. Let's go. Okay, he's teleporting. It's taking a really long time. Is he going to the wrong place? He's gonna try to play cards. And whoa, that took a really long time to move, like 4 feet. Telekinesis. This is the power to move things with your mind. So he's reading Telekinesis for Dummies. Yes, he's learning all about it. Now, can he do it? Can he move the spoon with his mind? Maybe. It's a lot of work to move a spoon. Wait, what did he do? He lifted the whole house. I guess it worked. Oh, there's a plane coming right for him. No. Oh no. That is awful. No. Oh man, dude, should have gone for like flying. And now we have Gaining Superpowers 2 by Buttered Side Down. I think it might be a continuation of the first one. Okay, mixing some milk and whatever that is. Some vegetables. Strongman picture. Come on, can he become like Superman? Kind of gross. He drinks it. Whoa. Oh, broke the glass. Okay, so he's got superpowers. Whoa, everything he touches. No. Oh, man. This is not what it's cracked up to be. Whoa. That fly. Oh, he got it? Oh, but no. He ripped a hole in the universe. Not good. Duct tape. That fixes it. Oh, he can't even use duct tape. Okay, it still fixed everything. All right, he's got to get rid of those superpowers, man. Eat it out. Super speed. Okay, lots of outlets with a treadmill. So he just turned on a treadmill, plugged into lots of outlets, and that's going to give him super speed. I love the way this guy's mind works. He's going faster, just like the Flash. Let's go. Okay. Everything's going slow. This is like Quicksilver in that X-Men movie. You can just walk around touching stuff. Don't touch the fire, though, dude. I don't care if time has stopped. You still don't touch fire. Oh, water is so slow. Oh, he can't put it out. It's going too slow. No, Oh, come on. Is that gonna fix it? Not even a little. All right. Hearing power. I don't know if I'd want that one. All right, he's sucking his thumb. Okay, he just blew on his thumb or sucked his thumb, and now he hears everything. Okay. But what if you could hear people and they were talking about you? That'd be so terrible. Oh, he's hearing every toilet flush. Gross. Baby's crying. Oh. Nasty. Okay, plug in his ears with corks. Size changing like Ant-Man. Can he do it? The size changer. All right, he's got this. Changes to, oh, he did it. He's small. Now he's big. Now he's small again. Really? Okay. Okay, it finally worked for this guy. Well, don't keep doing it like that. Come on, dude. Oh, you gotta handle with care. Oh, I guess he's tiny forever. Look at the way he's crossing it out with a giant pencil. And as always, I left a link to the original video in the description. And I'm Chopsicle the Dog. Tell me I'm a good boy by subscribing and liking the video.